Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF file without losing quality for free and easily in 2026. Here is a PDF file. Its size is around 13 megabytes, and I need to compress it to under 2 megabytes. As you can see, the PDF quality is excellent. Now, open your browser and go to the link provided in the description. Upload your PDF file. Select the recommended compression option. Wait a few moments while the file is uploaded and compressed. Once the process is complete, download the compressed PDF. As you can see, the file size is now 2.87 megabytes, but I need it to be below 2 megabytes. Now, open your browser again and go to the second link in the description. Upload the same PDF file. Set the compression level to 30%. Click Compress. Then click Download. Now you can see the file size is under 2 megabytes, and the PDF quality is still excellent. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.